Here's a Lionel 2055 locomotive. Has the pretty green marker lights, light in the front, has a smoker, and you can see it. They made this, Lionel did, from 1953 to 1955. That's the correct tender, the 2026W. And then it's pulling from the 70s or so. It's a Southern passenger set, which is called the Crescent. You can see it right there, Crescent Limited. You have the baggage car, then you have a combo car here, then you have a passenger car, and they're all named. And then the Robert E. Lee observation car there in the back. And here are the cars. Let you see it run. Those cars are in like brand new condition. In fact, I think they were brand new when I pulled them out of the box. But you can see it run. It's just a pretty set, and a nice locomotive also. That's a nice whistle. Okay. It does run in reverse, but I'm not running those passenger cars in reverse. But there is the 2055 Lionel, the locomotive, and the 2026W tender with the passenger set.